Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to activate a gift card without a receipt step by step. Step 1. Locate your gift card information. Scratch off the protective layer on the back of a physical card to reveal the code, or check your email for digital cards. Step 2. Visit the official website of the gift card issuer. Make sure you are using the secure official site to avoid scams. Look for a section labeled Activate Card or Redeem Gift Card. Step 3. Sign in to your account if required. Some issuers may ask for an account to activate the card, but many allow activation without a receipt if you provide the card number and PIN. Step 4. Enter the gift card details carefully. Input the card number, expiration date, and PIN exactly as shown. Double-check for typos to ensure successful activation. Step 5. Follow the on-screen instructions. Some issuers may request additional information like your name, billing zip code, or phone number to verify the card. Step 6. Confirm activation. The website will show a message indicating the card is now active. Check your balance to make sure the funds are available. Step 7. Keep the card and activation confirmation safe. Even without a receipt, your card is now ready to use for online or in-store purchases. That's it. Following these steps allows you to activate a gift card without a receipt, quickly and securely. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more easy and helpful step-by-step guides.